Your Galaxy S24 automatically connects to a hotspot when it detects an available network within range that you've previously connected to or configured for automatic connection. If you don't want it to behave like that, here's what you should do. First, tap the Home button to return to your home screen. Next, swipe down from the top and select the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and choose Connections. Now, tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap the three dots at the top to reveal more options and select Intelligent Wi-Fi. Scroll down to find Auto Hotspot Connection. Here, you have a few options, but you have to select Never to prevent your phone from connecting to an auto hotspot device. This alone should be able to fix the problem. However, if it persists, then you should reset the mobile network settings of your phone. Just go back to the main settings screen and tap General Management. In the next screen, tap Reset and then select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings to proceed. And that's it. The problem should already be fixed after that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.